Now if you look very closely, the tail light on this 2012 Toyota Highlander is not working on one side. This one is working, but this side is dead. So, and that gave me this opportunity to show you how to change a bulb on the tail light when they are not working. So those are the brake lights. They are working, all of them. So this is what I'm planning to do. Instead of changing that one and leave that one there, I'm just gonna do both of them, and this time I'm gonna upgrade them to LED light. See, that's the LED. So we're gonna do one there and one there, and let me show you how to get that done. So first you open the trunk, and when you come behind here, you find there is this cover right here, and all you need is a flat tip screwdriver, and then you plug it in there and pop it out. I had already plugged this one. Once you get that one out, you poke in there, you will see the access for the bulb socket. And same thing even on this other side, you find this little cover that looks like has a vent, and you plug in here. And there we go. So through that hole, we'll be able to access the bulb socket right there. And that is a bulb right there. All you need is hold it and counterclockwise turn it, and it's gonna come out like this. And there we go. So we're gonna get this out and replace it with the LED. Now they normally say don't touch this with your bare hands because you might have some oil, and when you touch this and the lights turn on, it might burst. But since we are replacing this, I'm not gonna need it, so I'm just gonna touch it for the first time. Now if you are new to my channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button, kindly hit that subscribe button, and I'll really appreciate for your support. For those who have already subscribed, thank you very much for your support. So far, so good. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Now this is the LED, the one that is replacing the regular bulb. Just gonna slide it in here. There we go. Now, three main benefits of LED lights. One, they're efficient. Two, they're durable. And they are bright. Now we're just gonna put it back here. This time it's gonna be clockwise to tighten it. Now here we go. This is the regular bulb, and this is the LED. Let me know if you can tell if there is any difference. Let me back it up right there. Yeah, the LED look a little bit brighter. In my opinion, let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, that is how you change the bulb on the tail light on the Toyota Highlander. And this particular one is 2012. Once you have replaced it, make sure you don't forget to put back this cover. Just place it right there. Make sure the tabs are in line up. Listen, that's how you do it, right? And I'm gonna change this side, that way it can be matching, and the process is the same. So subscribe, stay tuned. Thank you for your support. See you on the next video. Bye.